Samson sent for scrap. Scruff is a very busy engine. As well as taking garbage to Whiff's waste bin, he also collects scrap and takes it to the scrapyard.
Oh, I do love a bit of the old scratch and match. Mate!
Hello, Reds. Here's another train full of scrap for you. Poppin' pistons. This scrap is heavy. Let's get scratched. Oh, jumpin' junk. I've gone and blown a gasket. I'm stranded. Help!
Luckily, Samson was nearby, so he was sent to fetch Scruff.
Not to worry, Scruff. I'll pull you to the steamworks.
Thank you.
No need. Just being really useful.
Be careful. I'm quite heavy.
But I'm very strong.
Finally, Samson shunted Scruff into the steamworks so his boiler could be repaired.
Hello, my friend. That was some very nice shunting.
Thanks, Victor. Not a job on this island I can't do.
Then you'll have no trouble collecting scrap metal, Samson.
Oh, yes, sir. Of course not, sir.
You and Harvey are to collect trackside scrap until Scruff is repaired. Sodor must be kept clean and tidy at all times.
Yes, sir. Will do, sir. Born for this job, sir. Get the scrap, clear the tracks, clean the whole island.
Samson, the main line's the other way.
Knew that, Harvey. Come on.
So Samson set out with Harvey to collect the scrap that had been left by the tracks.
Hello? What's that?
It looks like some scrap, Samson.
Exactly. Rusty metal dumped by the tracks. Not very tidy, that. Not tidy at all. That's it, Harvey. Pile it all in. Oh, more scrap! Into the car it goes.
Samson was so excited about clearing up. Nothing was safe.
Oh, look at that old rust bucket in the car.
Are you sure that's scrap, Samson?
Am I the strongest engine on Sodor? Exactly. Sling it in.
If you say so, Samson. Hey, that's my bike. Wait! Bring my bike back!
Well, that's funny. I'm sure there was a bus stop sign here. Samson, wait! That's my sign!
Follow that train!
Meanwhile, Sir Topham Hatt was out and about doing his daily rounds in his car.
Oh, bother. A flat tire.
The driver looked for the spare tire to fix it, but it wasn't there. And then Sir Topham Hatt remembered.
Oh, bother. Mother made me take it out to fit more suitcases when we took her on holiday.
So Sir Topham Hatt and his driver set off to look for a spare tyre.
Look, Harvey, a battered old car. Amazing what junk people will leave lying around these days.
Are you sure, Samson? Only it looks a little bit, almost, exactly the same as Sir Topham Hatt's car.
If it's Sir Topham Hatt's car, where's Sir Topham Hatt, eh? Load it in.
So Samson and Harvey steamed down the tracks towards the scrapyard.
Now the fun part, eh, Harvey? Get to the scrapyard, watch Reg crunch up this junk.
If you say so, Samson.
I'm quite certain cars can't just disappear into thin air. It must be here somewhere.
Please, sir, Samson has taken my bus stop.
And my bike.
And he must have taken my car. And Samson will be halfway to the scrapyard by now.
Just then, Scruff came along, fresh from the steamworks with his boiler repair.
Oh, misery. Oh, calamity. My poor car will be crushed to dust.
Sorry to toot at you, sir, but I can save your car. I know a shortcut to the scrapyard.
Right, Scruff. You are to steam at once to the scrapyard and save my car.
What's that Scruff says? Let's get scrunting.
Are you sure you're sure about this, Samson?
Sir Topham Hatt said the island needed cleaning up, and cleaning up is what I'm going to do.
Hello, mate. What you got there, then?
Scrap for your claw, Reg.
Right you are. Scrunch and crunch. 1.
A 2. A 3.
Wait! That's Sir Topham Hatt's car!
If that's Sir Topham Hatt's car, Scruff, where's Sir Topham Hatt, eh?
I'm right here. And that's my car.
And my stop sign.
And my bike.
Samson, you have caused considerable confusion and delay.
Oh, sorry, sir. Only trying to make Sodor clean and tidy. You told me, sir. I thought it was all junk.
Well, Samson, my car is certainly not junk. Oh, dear.